Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make out-of-this-world French toast. First, gather your ingredients. The foundation of truly amazing French toast starts with the right bread. Opt for a rich, slightly sweet loaf like brioche or challah, sliced about 1 inch thick. This thickness is crucial for absorbing the custard without becoming soggy. Next, prepare your custard base with 3 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, let's talk about soaking. This step is where the magic truly happens. Place each 1 inch thick slice of bread into your custard mixture. Allow it to soak for a full 30 seconds on each side. This extended soak time ensures the bread absorbs enough of the rich custard to become incredibly moist and flavorful throughout, without becoming overly saturated or mushy. A shallow dish makes this process much easier and less messy. Cooking your French toast perfectly is the next critical step. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat, then add about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Once the butter is melted and slightly bubbling, carefully place your soaked bread slices onto the pan. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown crust. This ensures a crispy exterior and a custardy, cooked interior, reaching 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, it's time to elevate your out-of-this-world French toast. Serve it immediately while it's still warm. A generous drizzle of warm maple syrup is a classic choice, enhancing the sweetness and richness. For an extra touch of elegance, dust with powdered sugar and garnish with fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries. A dollop of freshly whipped cream or a sprinkle of cinnamon can also take it to the next level, making every bite truly unforgettable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.